Yo. I am adding my yeah. How are you, by the way? I'm writing things. I was going to update my site to add a pay me page based on this tweet by Catherine that says pay me page as the new did me page. As someone with money, I wish more people had posts like here's the kind of stuff I would like to do for money. I'm not sure if there are many people like her, but maybe there are enough, and I think it's worth having a page like this. So yeah, that's what I was going to do, but I got distracted. A bit tired, but otherwise was fine. I also have a missed call from the job, right? The job that I had, that I said, maybe they are calling me, blah, blah, blah. They fucking decided, I don't know. I had last week and this week at the beginning, I was paying attention so much to the phone. And today I'm like, I don't know, I was paying less attention to the phone. And it's when they decided to call me. Fuck. So I have a missed call. So yeah, we'll see if they call me again or tomorrow or today but later. I think today but later no longer, but tomorrow maybe. Or maybe next week, or maybe I fucked up. Who knows? I think tomorrow I will call them back. I will ring the number, I don't know, so it appears on their machines or whatever. I don't know. That sucks. Yeah. I think this first call is kind of not important because it's to schedule the meeting, I think. So, but still, I did say I prefer being called instead of send me an email. So maybe I should have just said email me. I don't know. Problem is that if I put it on vibration mode, this fucking group chat is always making noise. And yeah, now the thing that I was doing now was filling out this Twitter job board thing with an offering because it didn't have. I filled out this website a while ago. I think I'm going to fill it again now with something similar to my. I think I'm going to redo it, but with my Hire Me page. Docs, no, docs that new, no. Docs. Google. Well, let's do this just in case. Okay, I'm going to. Can I download this Word document and tell ChatGPT to anonymize it? I think I can, right? ChatGPT. Chat. Archivo descargar, docx. Can you anonymize this document? I want to use it as a testimonial. On a site without necessarily giving info about who was asking me. I could ask her, I guess, also. But can you just anonymize it? Write as little as possible in your own words and just keep mine, but removing identifiable information. Oh, they texted me. Whoa. Joder. Okay, they are talking to me. Lol. I have an interview tomorrow morning. Blah. I wanted to not get it. A part of me wanted to not get it. I can always fumble it tomorrow. So bro, why is it oops. Okay. At least they are covered. I'm going to message her and tell her I will do this later. Fuck it. I'm bored. Well, not bored. I don't want to do this uh, online or well, not online on stream. It makes no sense. Well, it makes sense, but because there are other people involved and all that, I prefer not to do it right now. So I will just not do it. And I'm going to message her. Offering. Okay, fuck. Now I have the texts for this fucking dude. I don't know why I'm asking these things. I think this guy doesn't know anything. But okay, fuck that for the moment. Hey. Use. Okay. He gave me good information at least. I think I'm going to stop bothering this guy because I'm also annoyed. I wonder if you could. I'm not doing what I wanted to do on stream. I guess this will be common. If I get hired, I won't be able to stream anymore at this time. I think maybe I will stream on while driving my car on the way home, just to clear my thoughts or to talk a little bit about my day or something like that. I think I may do that instead. So stream time will get an hour later, from 6 p.m. to like 7 p.m. when I'm driving. 6 p.m. That's so fucking late, bro. Makes no sense. Who spends so much time in the office? This is so antiquated. I think I'm going to top of mind is going to be something like that. I don't know. We'll see. We'll see what happens. If I get it, I also think it will be good to have another thing on my mind. So yeah, even if I get paid later or whatever, well, I might catch the stream then sometimes even after work. I mean, after work for sure. I doubt that you will be working from later than. Well, maybe your work ends also at 6 p.m. or something. I don't know. That's assuming I can get the car, because maybe, I don't know, if I have to go by the public transportation, I will stand my ground, okay? Well, not stand my ground, like, I will be flexible, but I won't shut up, right? I will be saying, okay, can I get this? Can I get this? Can I get this? Can I get this? Can I get more of this? I will be asking for shit all of the time tomorrow. This is my mindset for tomorrow. In the interview tomorrow, tonight, I will read the salary negotiation thing. I'm already on a bad foot forward, but I will learn everything I can. I will, again, type these things, remember to ask those things, and yeah. Okay. London, I am in you.
That for women 30 years old or younger, because the probability of getting, to make this very simple, all we need to know is that for women 30 years old or younger, because the probability of getting pregnant on any one attempt to conceive is 20%, well then, if that doesn't occur the first time, then she should simply repeat that at least 5 and probably 6 times before deciding to go to an OBGYN and conclude that there's something going on either with the egg or, of course, it could be with the sperm. Okay, because 20 times 5 is 100, so we're talking about cumulative percent. So 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, and the 6 month there would take you to 120%, which is a different thing altogether. But to make this very simple.
Oh, she gave me permission. Fuck. Yes. No. Well, enough. I will write Okay, fuck. Sorry for... Bueno. And read a report on them. You can find the pitch on this website of mine. basically I have oops. The different kinds of meta are implement this for others. I have a harder time implementing it. My personal process looks different. For personal reasons, but I believe are there synonyms? Personal synonym, particular reasons. My perspective can help, but my perspective can help others if I don't apply it myself. I have also written a ton of words, over 100,000, just counting comments over 1,000 characters long. In feedback in YouTube comment section over the years, with positive this is an example of what the hey Kwan, I am here. Oh hey Hanyo, what Kwan doing? Hanyo. Hey Hong, I am making an offering in this page. Wait, does it have a name? It doesn't. Okay. YouTube channel report. Fuck it, let's keep it as report. Save. Okay, now it has a title. Kwan, do you work your high school? What do you mean you work your high school? I ended high school a long time ago. What? That? Kwan? I find it funny that you call me Kwan. Okay. What did I want to do? Tomorrow just disconnected me. The fuck? And you're pretty big to work. Oh, I think you're 27 years old. You work? Yeah, but I am also unemployed. I got an interview tomorrow. Tomorrow I have an interview for a job. So tomorrow things may change. In PC? Honey, are you still playing PC? Maybe he is. What else did I want to do? Oh. Pay me. Replit. I will create a new website. Add file. Payme.html. Hire me.html. Control A, Control C. Pay me, Control V. Pay me. This section was inspired by fuck it, let's find it again. Juan, do you have a lot to do your work? Juan, I don't have a work, as I said. For now. Do you have your school? No, I already finished school as well. I have been 2 years, more or less, 1 year and a half without work. Or without school. By this tweet by Catherine Olson, I think she's called. Modify, add an A tag with this link in the href. Let's see. I think this fucking AI is so stupid. Oh. Fuck it, let's accept that. By this tweet by Catherine Olson. P. If you want to hire me full-time, refer to my A tag href hire me. Href A tag href. Is it like this? To my hire me page. And I delete. Oops, what? What the hell? They are offerings. YouTube channel report. Juan, where are your mom and dad? In my house, in another room. Oh yeah, I think Hanio still play game and watching in live and play. I guess Hanio how to have fun by game. Thanks, I think. Thanks. Yeah, I knew it. Oh wait, do not buy Xbox and PS5. It will so bad. I don't understand. And yeah, my mom and dad are in another room. Well, my dad is not at home right now, but okay, I'm going to add to the hire me page, not to the index. I'm going to add something like lists of ways to pay me gig type work. Okay. Hire me. This is a full time, well, or part time, but distinct from gig work. Hire me page for gigs or small things. Check out my A tag pay me. When it's 2030, I will be 20 years old. Hey Quan, do you come to Cambodia with me or do I go to your country? At the rate at which I am acquiring money, maybe you will come to my country before I go to yours. But I don't know. Did you know? Do you have a dream? I have no dream, Quan. I just see black in my sea sleeping. I do have a dream. I used to dream journal a lot. I used to write all of the dreams that I had. I still do. When I remember them, I write the dreams down. Crazy that you will be 20 in 2030. I will be 33 in 2030. If I'm still alive, who knows? -2010 -2024 14. Well, it's actually -14, but yeah, I get the meaning. Okay, pay me. Let's do something like that, then something like this, then remove this. Bloop. Wait. Pay me. By Catherine Olson. Okay, remove this. Remove this, remove this, remove this, remove this. Boom. They this is the page with my gig like bro what gig like work. Damn, I can't believe Nanaten asked me go all around the country saying people lies, but I did. Not sure what you mean, but I like the vibe of the flags. Cambodia, Canada, Germany, Spain. What's ID? Indonesia. Because I am superstar country. I'm not sure what this means, but yeah, Indonesia. One day I will visit you, or you will visit me, and we will talk a little bit more slowly and try to understand each other a little bit better. Maybe when you are 20. We will watch these videos back again. We will see the chat at the left, and we will think, what's going on? Fuck it, let's show this chat a little bit. Scatter MC. Also working on my website. I will keep this up in the background. Great voice, very relaxing. Thank you. Are you doing CSS? Never! I won't do CSS. Sorry for making it less relaxing. I will never do CSS. Look at my website. This is how it looks like. And I don't want it to look different. I'm tired of CSS. I'm tired of JavaScript. Look, you can do this with HTML. There is an element that is called the summary details element. You do this, and you have these fucking animations or whatever, right? This is basically an animation. You don't need to have any scripting, any strange things. You just click and it works. Why do I need more? I don't need more. This is all the functionality that I want in my site. One day I will maybe make my site in Hugo, and I will maybe use a little bit more of things, right? If I would make a blog, for example, I think I will switch to Hugo to, I don't know, because for blogging and all of that and kind of categorizing things, it's easier, I think. And it's easier to have it programmatically do things like numbering and having this takes 10 minutes to read in the blog posts and all that. I think for that, Hugo is fine. But I don't see this. I don't need to install anything. This is running Replit. This is Replit on the browser. I don't even have. I have VS Code installed, but I don't have to mess around with VS Code. I don't have to think whether I am in the right repository or whatever. No, I don't know. This is a simple repo. I think I don't have to kind of do the commands on my computer. I can see them in this Replit UI, and it's like boxed in here. I don't need. I'm not afraid of doing things. Also, I have a different GitHub account on my computer versus on this Replit site, so fuck it. Yes, he did. A very simple man. I like it. Now I will come to see you, Juan, on Tail 6 years. I will see all of you in live or YouTube. I bet you will. I hope you do. Okay. What do I have in my list? Let's go to the actual list. Give me type work, YouTube channel report. I have edited video professionally. Okay, no, this is not where I want to put. I wanted to just copy this. I will watch your videos and analyze them. Boop. You can find the pitch. Does this work like this? Okay, can I just do F12? F12. Inspeccionar. I can copy the HTML like this and they are divs. See, I don't want divs. I want a P. Simple P, paragraph. Why is it called div if it's... I don't know what div means. I like semantic HTML as well. Right? Semantic... HTML5 is already super semantic. Why is everything a div? I don't understand what a div is. What is the fucking class batalav? What is batalau? Right? I don't know. I guess that I know that they are for styling purposes or whatever. Right? I'm not. Also, this site was made by Christine. Fuck you, Christine. Your site looks great. I'm not dissing it. I just don't like it for my site. Right? I don't understand it. So, for my own development purposes. Fuck it, so I'm going to copy paste it. Boom. Okay, edit. I'm going to put this with color blue. Color blue. P. I do wish for something. For example, I would like to press Ctrl K or some shortcut and be able to add an A tag, right? Markdown for this, for example, editing with Markdown. I also like Hugo because of that, because editing with Markdown is easier. I would prefer if I could make the Markdown document and it would convert it to HTML and ship it. But because it has to do the building process, the converting to Markdown to HTML itself sometimes, I prefer to just do the HTML myself and just write A tags whenever I want to. For example, here, A. It's pretty easy as well. And then I wanted to hit this and I just copy the link and paste it. Not that difficult. Same with here. This website of mine. A. Boop. And then copy this website of mine. Ctrl X. Paste it. Just that. So simple. I've learned some of the ways. Copy. A tag. Boom. Ctrl V. Some of the ways. That would be cool. Ctrl K. Yeah, I mean, I say the Ctrl K because Obsidian does it like that, right? If I am writing on Obsidian something and I want to make a link I can do just Control K. Control K, and I write the link, and it's a link. And this is my, I guess, my workflow, right? This is how I write things. So, yeah. So I would prefer to have done my website like this. But then the build process stops me, and I have already like done my sites like that, but it was too difficult because of the build process and all of what comes with the build, all of the things that come before. Setting up the Node environment, or Node if you're using kind of things that work in Node, but setting up Hugo in your computer and have it, and then making a repo, and the repo being synced to the wrong GitHub account that I don't want because this is pseudonymous, right? This is coscore.com. So it's from my alias, so I don't want that with my real name, GitHub. I don't know. It's not, just a little bit of separation. It's not that it's impossible to find that information, but I don't know. I wanted to keep it separate. So here I can do it simply with my Replit thing. I think I could also make a Hugo site. But if I'm already making a new environment on this, right, on Replit, fuck it. I can, like, the easiness of working on my machine, on the Obsidian client of my machine, is already diminished. So might as well just fucking write raw HTML. I come from New Jersey. Oh, okay. Thank you for asking, Hong. I also ask this question usually. I ask these questions, well, 3 questions lately. Where are you from? Answered by New Jersey, United States of America. Then, what car do you drive? I'm not sure if I ask what's your dream car, but I usually ask about cars, right? So what car do you drive right now? And then, what's your lore, right? What are you making your website for example? What website are you building right now? Something Minecraft related. Is the MC a master of ceremonies or Minecraft? My name is Heihachi. See, I don't understand exactly what you mean by that. I have an idea. Hey, Juan. Nissan Altima. I'm a simple man. I can respect that. Okay, let's see how it looks. YouTube channel. I've learned some other ways. I have this in an example. Blah, blah. Okay. Let's add another li element inside the list. Li. Okay, OL. Let's close the OL tag as well. OL. And let's add another li. I'm making a web app for typical entertainment. I took a break from coding Minecraft mods. I've been coding a lot of and Python. C++ and Python. Oh, C++ is like used in games a lot, right? What do you mean for typical entertainment? As in for entertaining yourself? Or what do you mean by typical entertainment? I don't get. I took a break from coding Minecraft mods. Sounds difficult to me, but I don't know. Maybe they are simple things. Li. Then I write a details tag, details, boom, and then inside the details a summary. Summary, boop, and the summary title, video editing, video editing. P. I have edited video for social media clients, for clients I found on Twitter, both for posts on socials, for posting on socials, and more, and YouTube videos. Okay, I think I'm going to ship this. Boop. And see, shipping is this easy. Boop. I go to Git and added pay me page and related modifications. Stage and commit. All using GUIs that tell me simply what's happening, right? Not push to remote. Actually, VS Code works pretty well in this sense, to be honest. But I don't know, it's kind of crazy that I'm doing all this from the browser. The browser is so powerful. I could be doing this on an iPad, I guess, or something. Sync with remote. Sync with remote. Confirm for the session. Okay, and then Netlify builds it, and that is. Let's see. Minecraft was limited. I wanted to learn more of the game code itself, so I picked up C. Then realized C is not enough, so I do C++ now as a hobby. 1. I'm from Cambodia. 2. I drive with my car. 3. I don't know what it said. No, you look like hell. Scatterman MC. Like I'm making a video chat room. Kind of Omegle. Oh. I live in New Jersey, not New York. Oh, are you USA? US. Yes, USA. I am not Cambodia. No way. I agree. I avoid the terminal at all costs. But you got to learn not to be scared. You can always try again. That's the good thing about programming. Yeah, I guess that is true. I have not fully given up, right? I am trying to erase the friction in these little ways, right? I code my little HTML in my little browser window. Then maybe one day I will be like, fuck it, it's time to level up. But I'm taking things slowly for the moment, right? I've done the opposite, right? I've tried to develop full stack applications and all that. And then there were too many roadblocks and I couldn't focus on the things that I wanted, right? I wanted to make a web application for cars, to list cars that I like. I have this Airtable thing, right? If you go to some of my domains, like Coches Curiosos. I'm from Spain, by the way. I'm not sure if you noticed because of my accent. Cochescuriosos.com. You will see that this is an Airtable database. And I wanted to make it a little bit something better than an Airtable database. Not better, but something kind of more Wikipedia-like, but still conserving these elements of the database, right? But yeah, I've said fuck that. It's super annoying. Because I already, see, the problem with developing full stack things is that they tell you what stack you have to use, right? So I was using kind of the MERN stack, but it was stupid as fuck for me to be like, Mongo database. It's like, why the fuck am I going to use Mongo database if I already have Airtable here that works, right? I already can use Airtable. Can't I just make a front end for this, right? This was kind of what I was thinking. Can't I just make the things talk to each other? Instead of fucking using the Mongo thing and creating a new schema, blah, blah, blah. It's like the schema already exists. Look, it's here. I already made the schema. I don't know. Then I was like, okay, but this could use improvement, right? Maybe I could make this from scratch and it would be better. And it's probably true, right? I don't know. But I got into a lot of these things, so. I like Italy. Good, better than French. It's good that you are taking advantage for what you have. UIs can be awesome. Gate. I don't know what you mean by gate, man. No, I say I'm not USA. I am Cambodia. I think he knows you're Cambodia. Yeah. That's nice. But MongoDB is very easy to learn. Yeah, it was relatively easy, but I don't know. It's like added complexity. When this already exists, and this already exists. The Mongo database would be some kind of figment of my imagination, right? I don't know. And then Mongo, it's like it makes you, at least with the people that I was using it with, you have to sign up for the Mongo Atlas cloud, and the databases are on the cloud. And then there are kind of some strange keys, right? There is a strange key, and you have to use the key. And then sometimes you can put the key in. You can, while developing, okay, you can put the key here, but then you have to put it on you have to always put it on the environment, the .env file or whatever, right? But when you're troubleshooting, it's like sometimes you make mistakes. I don't know. This kind of there are a lot of things that are kind of way over me that I would prefer not to worry about, right? And yeah, I don't know. I could just use Mongo locally in this kind of, but then you have to think, okay, what are the platforms that let you use kind of a Mongo cluster or whatever the fuck they are called locally or something, right? And then yeah, there are some like render and those kind of things, but I don't know. Oh shit, Scatter MC, what the heck? What time is it? My time, 11:05 p.m. How are you, USA? How? Wait, I forgot. If he's in New Jersey, that's Eastern, so it's maybe noon, close to noon. It has to be, right? Maybe 1 p.m. Let's see. EST. $11 a.m. actually. I am 14 and he's 27. Yeah, I am 27 and Hong is 14. I'm 20 years old. Noon, okay. What the hell? Is this lying to me then? Oh, it's New York, not Eastern? Oh, maybe it's no longer called Eastern. Eastern time. Yes, it's called Eastern. What the fuck? Oh, it's called Eastern time. And then the other one is called Eastern Standard Time. Oh, I guess I didn't know that. Oh, God is good. Man, I am still a kid. What? The Voop? Bro, what are you saying? Okay. Thank you for being here. Hania, if you're still there, Hong and Scatter MC, welcome and thank you for being here. I'm going to close the stream now. Goodbye. He just born 1994. No. He was born 2004. I was born 1997. See ya. And yeah, bye bye.